What is up, and welcome back, you absolute savages. We got a little Father's Day trip planned. We actually came over a little bit early, knocking 2 resorts that we've never stayed in off of the list right now.
Hey guys, if you know how to blow a ball, make sure to like and subscribe.
If you know how to blow a ball, that means everybody needs to like and subscribe because everyone knows how to blow a ball.
Of course.
Yes, baby, what's up?
I can't.
Oh,
Yeah, I just make a photo.
ooh, oh.
Yes.
I can do one.
Yeah, you can.
Guess what?
What?
This place used to be a dog park.
Used to be a dog park here?
How do
Well,
you know?
now it's one of the fanciest hotels in all of Disney property.
But it's still a dog park.
It is still a dog park. Said boardwalk is right there. We're gonna have to go over there. Novak family. Oh, this is awesome.
Boardwalk right there.
Oh, dude, are you kidding me? We're right here. This is awesome.
Oh.
Holy crap, holy. This is great.
Yeah, it is.
What?
Tell you what, a first floor would be dope.
Why?
Just walk out and go that way.
Oh, I think there's an exit right
There
here.
has to be, right?
Anyway, here we are.
Yeah, the room
Yacht
is very
Club.
nice.
First time Yacht Club, first time Sawyer.
Oh, hey.
Destroyer up
You
there.
guys want to know the difference between a value versus a premium resort at Disney?
What's the difference?
You got me?
The easy slide. The old easy slide.
Oh,
Can
man.
I see?
I just-
I'm gonna try.
Try it, Mace.
Try. Okay, ready? Now push it. See how easy it is?
Yeah, let's get rigged. Oh! I think that broke the bed. Definitely don't move the sheet.
I just went far. I just went far.
All right, so here we go. We got boats to everywhere we want right there. We got boardwalk right there, right outside our room. Happy Father's Day. 8 o'clock. What are we doing? We going to the pool?
Yeah.
Okay. Pool?
Heck yeah.
All right. Pool.
So it lives in one.
Grampy Rabbit lives in a lighthouse?
Yeah, on
What?
Peppa Pig.
He does.
Yeah.
Yo.
Is it just like that one?
What
Yeah.
the?
What in the what?
Let's talk about it. The pool's closed for refurbishments. They've been closed since January. They only have leisure pools, aka
Not on the
boring
itinerary.
pools. That was not on
Yeah,
the
we're going on the pool.
itinerary. Holy cow.
Like there's a wall.
Well,
Yeah, there is.
the
well,
go
sand
back.
pool is just closed.
the number one pool on property is closed, and we are
The
staying here.
sand pool is closed for 5 minutes.
Yep,
5 minutes?
yep.
It's
a lie.
Did you just tell me?
Yeah, it's cap. It's cap.
He just capped me.
All right, so we had another plan. We were going to go over to the Dolphin, and they close at 9. It's almost 9. So now we're going to go to
Different pool.
our third resort pool, the boring pool. At least it's a pool. I don't know. Starting off with a bang. How good does it smell in here?
The best.
Back in the inside. Yacht Club smell. Ain't no value here. That's expensive, Sam. That's expensive, Sam.
Fancy.
Oh my gosh. All right. We finally made it to boring pool. Here we go.
We're gonna make it unboring.
Unboring. We're just unboring this pool
Unboring.
by showing up. Boring pool. Not that boring. We had the fireworks going off over our head on the boardwalk. Let's get some food. Just a quick trip over the bridge. The girls have never been to Boardwalk before. Sawyer and I ventured over here one late night while the girls were sleeping, as they do.
Places.
Say that again for the camera.
So we do go to a lot of dark places.
We do go to a lot of dark places.
A lot of nighttime.
Both physically and mentally.
Indoor rides.
Oh.
Hold on, isn't there a fish and chip place here?
No, that's over at,
That's not here?
no, that's at downtown Disney.
Never came
Did you
here.
know
Oh,
there's
you're
Nah.
right, you're right.
That was with Grandpa and
Yes,
Grandma.
Grandpa. You're right.
Going to see Flogging Molly
That's right.
at House of Blues
You're totally right.
with the Agrolites.
That's exactly.
First time we ever saw the Agrolites with Flogging Molly.
Banana.
Don't worry about it, it's fine.
the back.
The back stinger.
Back stinger. That's a really good name.
There's the
for
club, there's all the bros coming out of the club.
It. Huh.
There's no cover. It's all vibe.
It's
Playing Shakira.
Disney.
All right, first look at Boardwalk, Mom.
Beautiful.
The Boardwalk at
What is it?
Disney.
Okay, flying something. I keep eyeballing that.
I don't know. Let's go fly our butts in there and get some food.
Okay, boardwalk down.
You have to walk into the Dapper Dans. The Dapper Dans here? We didn't even know.
There they are.
Are they technically the Dapper Dans?
You want to watch them? Yeah.
Yeah, let's watch them. You kidding me? What else do we got to do?
Give me a mic. Let's do this.
Oh, dear Lord, let's go. Rip it.
My girl, I've got so much honey, the bees envy. Oh, I've got a sweeter song than those birds in the trees. Well, I guess you say what can make me feel this way. It's my
Nobody sang it. Did you sing it? They asked you to sing it. They asked for crowd participation and you blew it.
If you like
didn't hear.
join us in oh, cheating
They lowered all the prices.
One of the first letter.
This place has pineapple smoothies. So it's kind of like Dole Whip, just not ice cream. I'm like, oh, so it's just like pineapple. You want well?
Hold on. We don't have to talk about it now. Ron, let's change up the technique. Follow the letters.
That might be
I want you to
something.
think about what stands out to you about this place. So, if anyone wants to try the mozzarella stick? I mean, I
All right, here we go, Sawyer. We're going into the bake shop. The most expensive cake you've ever seen in your life. Mom wants to go.
I just want to check it out.
You just want to check it out.
I might get a piece of
No,
cake.
listen, you might just check it out. I can tell by this. I can tell by the high pitch. Oh, look at the line to get into bake
No,
shop.
that's to sit down.
To what?
Sit down.
What does that mean? They have a sit-down
They have
restaurant?
a sit down side and then they have a walk-in.
Are you kidding me? They have a sit-down cake bake shop? Holy cow.
I think.
I think you're wrong. I think that's the line to get in. Enter here. Yeah. You're about to wait in line.
Just walking in over here.
No, that's the exit, honey. It's the exit. That's the sit-down side. Yeah, that's the sit-down side.
Don't run, Tom.
Oh, menu board.
Here, Tom.
This is the restaurant. Sawyer, come in. This is the restaurant.
Yeah, but Dad, well, then we can go in here.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. $14. How's them apples? That's a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Here you go. Hold it.
I'm going up.
Talk to it.
Sawyer, talk to it.
No, chicken, chicken, boom, boom. Chicken, boom, boom.
Chicken, chicken, boom, boom, yeah.
Chicken, bang, bang. Yeah, no way.
I am not paying $22 for a slice of cake.
I'm not doing 26 cents. Cake.
Here, I'll do it. Here.
Look at the river, everyone. Look at the river. Look at the river.
Did you look at the way she just put you over the lake through the
I
fence? Yep. Well, yep. That was scary. You scared me. Okay. Back to the room then, kids. Back to the room.
I was saying, look at the lake.
Look at the lake. Almost swam in the. You almost swam in the lake. It's close.
No.
Yeah.
No, it just tried.
Yeah. That's.
It was
booby
trying
trap.
to slip.
Yeah. No, it's trying.
We got that way.
Say it, Mom.
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so our room key didn't work, so we're on this very long walkabout. The room key's not working at the door.
Under construction, and then the only other, there's a elevator right by your room, but that's not working. Now the door's not working. Now you gotta walk the way around. The pool's closed. This one's piss warm. Yeah,
Mom's not having it.
not a fan.
Mom is not having it.
3 out of 10.
Oh my goodness, I hope Polynesian
All-star resort, baby. Give it to me.
votes bet. Oh my, really?
I mean, you don't have to walk 1,000 miles. I mean,
It's
how
not
long of a...
connected to the boardwalk
Yeah,
either.
hey.
Oh my gosh, he's going into nuke mode, y'all.
Hey.
Full-blown nuke mode.
Hey,
Here, you push that.
Hey, subscribers. Just wait until you see the walk to our room.
Now we have to show it.
Yeah.
It's a very long walk. I don't know why Mom's going nuclear.
No, I'm not.
We're almost back in the air conditioning. That'll calm everything down. All right, we made it. We're unharmed. How many steps was that today? Did you check? See how many steps.
I don't have mine set up.
Novak family back in. Listen, Yacht Club, epic. I wish the pool would have been good. Room's dope. Right by boardwalk. They got a little sleeper sofa that the P kids can sleep on. And we got a big day tomorrow. We got a big day tomorrow. I'm not even gonna say what we're doing.
Can you
9,000 steps today. Not even a park. You kidding me? Did you have a good time today? Of course. Thus far? Of course. He's just happy he's not sick anymore. Macy Bell, tell everybody good night.
This doesn't work.
Say good night, you weirdos. Good morning and welcome back. Day number 2. Dad and daughter. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. What are we doing for our Father's Day? Well,
we're going to go, so I'm going to Elsa splash pad, and it's going to be awesome.
it is, huh?
And also we're going to Moana, but that's the second day.
So today's plan is to start at Blizzard Beach. You know, check in. We got a free day at a water park, so we're going to Blizzard Beach. Haven't been to Blizzard Beach in 30 years. Oh, this is what we're walking out to. A very quiet yacht club morning.
Hello, Betsy. Say something, Dad.
It's backwards.
Yeah, it's backwards. Wait, what is backwards?
Amazing night, yacht club. Pretty fun. Low key fun. We're off to Blizzard Beach. Blizzard Beach. Kids, are you excited?
No.
It's our first new water park since Volcano Bay. We haven't been to a water park in over a year.
Oh, yeah.
You're not excited for that?
Mommy, can you open
I'm excited.
You know what? You know what? You know what? Ladies and gentlemen, we were at
Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard
Disney.
Beach.
Blizzard
Disney.
Beach.
Blizzards.
Blizzards.
Blizzards. There's snow. There's snow on them there hills. We're running towel free today, kids.
You know what? We're saving the environment.
Saving the environment. We don't have to do laundry. No laundry. Macy, you going swimming in your princess dress?
I got my bathing suit.
Oh, your banding suit's in there?
Yeah.
All right, good. I got my banding suit too. Rope drop, Blizzard Beach, Father's Day.
Dad,
What?
I'm gonna touch the like.
The snow?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're gonna touch the snow.
Snow fight. Can I touch that snow?
That's it.
Yeah, it's given me very Holiday World vibes here.
It's Disney.
I know, but still.
That's terrible to say.
I mean, it's pretty hokey so far.
Ranking it in the low end of Holiday World.
Just
This
the
is
beginning,
Disney, honey. This is no
the
Indiana
entry
attraction.
area. Looks like we're moving.
And we're moving, rope dropping, rope dropping. Oh,
I got
we
you.
are in. Oh, the breeze. There's Goofy. Right off the bat, you got a Goofy meet and greet.
Okay, honey, you can't just put your feet down. You have to say.
Oh, look at her. She's in the bobsled. Oh, man.
I don't think there was ever a man.
Man. Have not been here in a very long time. Macy. Off to a great start. Morning.
Ryan, yeah. Awesome. Sorry, can you just leave her alone? All right, lockers to the right if we want.
If we want, I guess.
I mean, yeah, we do.
Yeah, good call. All right, water park fun. You guys are going into the locker. Enjoy your day. All right, listen, that was an amazing morning. Mom was just remarking how cool this place is. For free dollars, for free 99, this place ends up being a total morning killer. I love it. It's now like almost 2 o'clock, and we're gonna go check in. Where are we checking in? It's a big one on Dad's bucket list, the old Polynesian. That girl right there takes care of me. Got us in the Polynesian after the yacht club.
Hey, can I say something real quick?
Yeah.
Difference between Disney and Universal. Towels. Complimentary towels right when you walk in. Yeah, we forgot towels and we thought that we weren't gonna have to, or we were gonna have to drip dry. And that's fine, but not at Disney. Because Disney's all like, we're gonna be bougie about it. And I support that. That is all.
That's what she's got. Anyway, Polynesian. I might cry. I might cry.